grates, we're finally getting rid of that steel furnace grate that has dominated the stair hallway for so long. The void in the floor is framed up and then covered with 3/4 inch plywood to bring it up flush to the subfloor. Then they remove the existing hardwood floor between the patch area and the adjacent wall and stairs. Once the spot is sealed with builder's felt, this allows them to fill back in the void with heart pine flooring.
And they want exactly 34 9/16.
Working from the wall to the stairs and back again.
I think it's gonna turn out good if we get a good finishing job on it. A lot of them, some like these with the tar on it, they were in the kitchen and they didn't get refinished again like the other wood did. So, but the time they come through here and sand it all, they make it all the same thickness. So we should be good.
Once the patch is complete, all of this will be refinished with the rest of the floors, hopefully leaving no evidence of what it looked like before.